Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your go-to space for the latest in cutting-edge camera tech. Today, we're diving into a potential face-off that could shake the aps-c world, the Canon EOS R9 versus the Sony a6700. While Canon hasn't officially launched the R9 just yet, leaks and industry whispers have given us a solid idea of what to expect. And based on that, it looks like Canon is aiming to take on Sony's compact mirrorless powerhouse, the a6700, head-on. Let's talk about sensors first. Both cameras are expected to feature a 32-plus megapixel aps-c sensor, but the R9 might come with a next-gen Digest X image processor designed to deliver superior low-light handling and faster burst rates. If you shoot in fast-paced environments, think wildlife or sports, that extra speed could make all the difference. Now, here's where it gets wild: video capabilities. The a6700 maxes out at 4K 120 FPS, which is impressive, but Canon seems ready to take things further. Rumors suggest 8K video at 30 FPS on the EOS R9. That's next level for an aps-c body and could unlock high-end production value for content creators and filmmakers without needing to invest in a full-frame rig. When it comes to autofocus, Sony's real-time tracking is already among the best in the business. But Canon isn't backing down. The R9 is rumored to feature an upgraded AI-powered subject detection system with even more refined eye, animal, and vehicle tracking, possibly even recognizing individuals in crowded environments. Let's not forget in-body image stabilization. Sony's a6700 is decent, but Canon might take it a step further, refining the already excellent IBIS system from the R7 to allow smoother handheld shots, even with non-stabilized lenses. Build quality? Canon may give the R9 full weather sealing, better ergonomics, and a dual card slot layout, one SD, one CFX press, for faster workflows. Compare that to the a6700's single card slot, and you can see Canon is targeting professionals who shoot high-res video and need reliability. Connectivity is also heating up. The R9 may come equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, perfect for live streamers and mobile creators who want stable, fast wireless transfers. But here's the big question: the price. Sony's a6700 launched at around $1,400. Canon's R9? It's expected to come in around $2,500. That's a big jump. But Canon might be betting that the extra horsepower, future-proof features, and pro-level build quality will be worth it. So, which one wins? If you want a compact, budget-friendly 4K shooter, the a6700 remains a solid choice. But if you're aiming for the absolute cutting edge in aps-c performance, 8K video, advanced autofocus, better build, the Canon EOS R9 could be the new king of the mirrorless mountain. What do you think? Will Canon shake up the aps-c game with the R9, or will Sony hold its ground? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to like, subscribe to Technology in the Future, and hit that bell icon for all the latest updates in camera tech.